Can artificial intelligence replace me in the legal profession? In the next couple of minutes, I will highlight 5 reasons why I won't be replaced. First, empathy is crucial to my practice. Understanding my clients' unique needs and building trust requires my intuition and interpersonal skills that I've developed over the past 3 decades. Artificial intelligence lacked these skills. Second, my ethical judgment of navigating complex ethical dilemmas demands nuanced decision-making and moral reasoning. Artificial intelligence does not have ethical judgment. Third, sophisticated judgment is critical in my practice. Making complex decisions, interpreting laws, and balancing multiple interests by different parties is what makes me different than AI. Fourth, advocacy and interpersonal dynamics are inherently human tasks. Persuasion, argumentation, and the ability to read and react to courtroom developments are heavily dependent on my emotional intelligence and intuition. Finally, my strategic thinking and ethical considerations can't be reproduced by AI. While AI can sometimes automate routine tasks, AI does not possess these human skills. In conclusion, my work is about supporting people in their time of need. My clients need me for human elements of empathy, ethical judgment, complex decision-making, and client advocacy that AI cannot deliver. Over my past 3 decades of dealing with clients, I have supported people through their difficult life events. Professional advocacy, personal attention, and compassion makes me different than AI. Contact me today to see if Brian Cahill Legal may be a good fit for you.